Hi there, students. To glower, a verb. A glower, a countable noun. Glowering, an adjective, and gloweringly as well, an adverb. Okay, to glower is to stare at somebody angrily. Yeah? A glower is an angry look. So, my wife glowered at me when I started to drink my fourth whiskey. Okay, so to glower at somebody, it's an angry look. Yeah, to look or stare angrily at somebody. Yeah. When he left the scene of the argument, he glowered at everybody. Yeah, so yeah, he stared at them gloweringly. Yeah, he gave them all a glowering look. Yeah, so a scowl, a glare, to give someone a dirty look. She glowered at me, but she didn't actually say anything. Yeah, so to look daggers at somebody. Yeah, when you're really angry, you glower at somebody. Yeah. When I told my son that he wasn't allowed to go out this weekend, he glowered at me. You can use it figuratively as well. Inflation is glowering at our economy. Yeah, it's looking angrily at. Yeah, it's glaring. Yeah, it's to have a very angry, upset look on your face. Yeah. Okay, so to glower, you feel annoyance and anger. In the library, the librarian glowered at me. She gave me a glower for making so much noise. Okay, this is a facial expression. Yeah, where you stare at somebody angrily. Yeah, he glowered and glared at her, but he didn't say anything. Yeah, he was glowering at me, but I didn't look his way. Yeah, so this is a hard, angry stare where you show that you're very unhappy about something. You glower at somebody to stop doing something. Yeah, there's no need to glower at me like that. Yeah, glowering is not going to change anything. Say exactly what you think. Yeah, get it off your chest. Yeah, this is like to glare at somebody, to look at them very, very angrily. Yeah, so glowering. The grey rain clouds were part of the glowering sky. Yeah, the the terrible situation was glowering at me. I felt that the situation was glowering at my future. Okay, formality. This word sounds a bit literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it informally, so you use it effectively anywhere. Let's see, as to origin, let's see, there's a Scots word, glaw, meaning to stare at, or a Middle English word, glúren, to gleam, to glare, to glower. Yeah, and this comes from some sort of North Germanic root. Let's see, there's a Middle Dutch word, gloren. Yeah, or an Icelandic glora as well. Okay, so to glare at somebody, to look angrily at them. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Glare at, glower at, to glower.